course, now it's just raining. Oh, there we go. Just a few minutes ago, the rain was really light, and now it's gotten heavier. Whoa! I'm glad I got that one. And the rain's coming down harder. And I looked at the radar a while ago, and I believe that this is the worst that we're going to get. But then again, I'm not too sure. You can never tell with Arkansas weather. Especially with Arkansas weather. Feels nice out though. Low 60s. Humidity's nice and low. But there's rain and wind and lightning and thunder. Not exactly the greatest combination in the world, but hey, that's how weather is for you. Very unpredictable. Whoa, okay, I'm getting